I just don't get it. I just don't get it.
This is the way.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chopperfett channel. My name's Brett and we make the motorcycle videos and the motorcycle vlogs here on the YouTube. I am doing this voice to try and get people more excited about the channel to bring in more views because, man, the last couple have been stinkers. Now, compared to when this is released, the last two might not have been stinkers, but as of writing and recording this, I've had a couple kind of, as I would call them, duds. And so what is a dud in my opinion? Well, I figure if I have 800 some subscribers, if I'm getting anything less than 150 at this point in time, I'm calling that a dud. Even that's pretty low by, I guess, a lot of standards, but when I can't even break out of 100, I call that just a failed experiment. So the videos that I am referencing, one was my GoPro mount thing being installed for this video, which, you know, I really thought that one was going to do better than it did. I like off the bike videos a lot, and I really thought it was a clean install, and I was like really proud of it. The next video was nothing I really expected too much out of, to be honest. It was just my opening of riding season and some prep tips as you get going. It was more of a conversational motovlog as far as trying to get other people's input. But man, I don't know if it was just the date I released or what, but as of right now, it's been going for 48 hours and we're at 54 views on it. Ooh, it really hurts the psyche.
You cut me deep, Shrek. You cut me real deep just now.
When those things happen. So I gotta keep telling myself, while the views and the subsequent subscriptions haven't really been coming in droves here, I gotta keep telling myself, I'm doing this for me, and as long as I'm enjoying it, that's what matters. Sure, buddy. And I did. I enjoyed making those two videos. The one video in the garage kind of pushed some of my editing to a not next level, but I kind of got some things dialed in with the Canon when I did that one. And then the other one was a ride with my wife, and I just happened to be filming at the same time, so it was all good. But man, it's just sometimes you need that clarification that you're doing things right. And I've talked to other motovloggers too, who it just seems like the whole motovlogging community is down.
Oh, we're on. So I didn't want to be making this video, but I noticed that my view counts are really low. I mean, like, historically low. Not low by my channel standards. Actually, they're kind of like right on par for all my videos, but they are so much lower than like everybody else that's on like a huge channel.
Other subscribers that I follow, I mean, they're more subscribers than I have, and they're getting just a shade bit more of views than I am. So I don't know if it's YouTube being YouTube and saying we're not going to promote this because no one cares about motovlogs, or hey, it's kind of riding season now. I'm not going to sit in front of my phone or a computer all day and watch Chopperfett. I'm going to go out and live a much better life than he gets to live. Just kidding, everybody. I love my life. My wife, and kids. I love them all. It's frustrating, but at the same time, you just got to keep grinding and grinding and grinding. I know a couple other people who were at about my same level probably 6 months ago, and when your goal is to get to that, oh, how many subscribers would it be? 1,000 subscribers or so. When you're trying to get to that point in time, the last 200 is just a hard grind, no matter what you think or do.
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard.
Ah, dang it, why'd I come this way? This light does not change. I may fog up. That's not a Ruroc problem. That is a Four Eyes problem. I'm giving this one, all right, we're at the 22-minute mark on the GoPro. If nothing happens at 23, Red Dead law is in effect for me. We'll cut to that part when it happens. We might turn right too, because I've never actually been pulled over for a dead red law running of a stoplight, but it would be my luck. And then I'd get the cop who doesn't understand motorcycles, even though they teach it inside the police academy what this law is. It would probably just be my luck that, nope, too bad.
It's all thanks to what many call the dead red law, which allows cyclists to proceed through a red light if they've waited longer than 2 minutes.
All right, because see, I'm going to go after this little bit of cars here, because I'm clear that way, clear that way. I've been sitting at this light for over a minute. Red Dead law, got it on film. Bloop, bloop. That's the sound of police. Bloop, bloop. Do-do-do-do-do-do. So some of the other things with YouTube that I've noticed is, you know, I'm pretty much a one-man show on my channel, and 95% of us are the same way. We are, or women, sorry, women motor vloggers too, but most of us are doing this solo. There's a couple people who, you know, have their wife involved, and there's a couple other channels that are like a group of people. But for me, it's really just me riding and re-riding by myself. What that ends up doing to me, I feel like, is kind of hurting, because I don't have those group adventures like where, you know, you go and you meet up for lunch with some people. I did reach out to another motovlogger here the other day who's local, taking a little break himself, and seeing if he would want to collaborate at some point in time once he's feeling the YouTube again. But you know, he's kind of on the burnout too. He's got a lot going on, and YouTube numbers just really aren't motivating us at this point in time. So he's taking a step back just to kind of recollect and rethink his approach. And I think if I could start doing some more collaboration efforts,
will you please stop, collaborate, and listen?
I think it would be better. So that doesn't have to be local to Kansas City. If anyone out there is listening at this point in the time in the video, feel free to reach out and let's hook up and let's get together and try to figure out something that we can do to collaborate. Whether it's, you know, doing the intro things like Walton, PA, and that group of guys are doing, something like that, or if you guys want to do a virtual moto vlog where, you know, maybe I put the Shoei back on, connect it to my phone, and you go ride at the same time I'm riding, and we do a moto vlog. There's another guy who rides a Dyna. I can't remember his name off the top of my head. I am terrible about remembering YouTube channel names. I am so sorry about that. But he has noticed that I have been commenting on a lot of his training videos. And so he reached out to me asking if I wanted to collaborate and maybe do like some training things as far as things like I like to do in the parking lot, and kind of incorporate them into his videos and vice versa. So that's something that is possibly on the agenda and the docket as well. I just think the more content and the more diverse you can be on it, it's the better. I think that's why over the winter time I did so well with everything, was because it was pretty diverse. I was talking about Indians and Hondas and Triumphs and Kawasaki's, and not just motovlogging like this. So again, if you want to go ahead and try and do some sort of collaboration, I am game. Look me up on Instagram. We can message there. I'll even shoot you my number if I trust you enough. Yeah, I will. And let's get something going, you know, something that could benefit my channel and your channel. I don't want to be selfish about this. I want to help you guys grow as well. With that being said, though, I will catch you guys on the next dark side, because this is the way. Chop it out. We'll see you, y'all.